Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you the process of how you can enable or how you can turn on the location on Snapchat. Now to begin the process, you open the Snapchat application on your mobile device, tap open the app. Once you have been logged in into your Snapchat account, you go to the setting icon on the top right corner and there you scroll down and inside Who Can you will able to see the option of see my location. You tap open that. So here inside my location I have currently disabled my location to be visible on Snapchat. Now if you want to turn on your location on Snapchat, the first thing you need to do is tap on the toddler of ghost mode. You turn off the ghost mode on Snapchat. That means this will allow the Snapchat to show your location to your friends. Now even in option of seeing location by your friends, there are three options, that is your friend, my friend accept, and only this friend. You can make these changes by yourself. You can choose whether you want your location to be visible to everyone or just accept few friends. You can make the few changes from here. This is how you can make changes or turn on the location for your Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.